Hey, good afternoon. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. Wanted to check in and see what I could do to link this video. Also have me on this recording along with being able to share my screen. So I roll through this website here. Just moved all of the images up to the top in this particular part, not liking the quality of the images once I've moved them and expanded them a little bit. So maybe we could just see about replacing this image for web marketing. And one of the things I like to do is to just go to images. Oh, interesting. This all just changed. Go to Google Images. Okay, so as you can see, something similar and quite a few to choose from. Kind of liking this one actually. Save it to my desktop. Actually, we'll just come back here, back to Weebly, upload from our computer, and go to the desktop. Make this the right one. Oh, I do like that one better. It's actually much clearer. So that's great. I'm going to go ahead and publish that. Go back to the website. And watch it go magic. Oh, I like that much, much better. So we'll do one more. Come back to the editor, go to the second image, go to replace image, and web marketing equals sales. So that changes it up. Oh. Oh, interesting. So this gives us some good graphics here. Let's try this one. That looks like, there we go. Perfect. Do another desktop. Back to Weebly, back to the editor, grab the computer, desktop, bam, bam. Let's check it out. Okay, quite a bit bigger, so first thing we got to do, get me out of the way there. So let's take this down. So, and what we can do is we can go here, we can go to edit image. We're going to go ahead and crop this puppy. See if we can't get it to fill a more reasonable spot. Interesting. I think it's running slow because I'm recording this. Image is taking a second to come up. Wow. Come on. Interesting. Edit this image here. Crop it. And looks like it is pretty much cropped down as far as it can possibly go. We'll just save that anyway. See what we can do outside. And let's publish and see if that's too big. I know you're probably bored with this low, but let's see what we can do here. Huh. Well, I think I like it, but I want to make it a little bit smaller. Let's do that. And then let's go back to the editor and put a black border around that. So, box. Advanced border, thick, back, border color, black. So thick and black. There we go. Publish that. Back to the site. Let's see how that improves it. Okay. I like that one. I'm going to cut it off 7.5 minutes.